Get your family history book done and avoid wasting time, money, and being frustrated. Download this free ebook, Getting Ready for Your Family Book Done For You, 25 Simple Tips.
When you get our free ebook, you'll be able to avoid the pitfalls that many face when they want to give their kids, grandkids, and great-grandkids an amazing family book. Hi, I'm Bobby Brody, book designer.
I'm Corey Bretz, family historian at Family Movie Storybooks. If you delay getting on to putting together the family book, those little kids aren't going to know much about your ancestors. If you want those kids to grow up strong and inspired, they need to know that they come from a long line of amazing people.
But there are a bunch of pitfalls that stand in your way and prevent you from ever getting your family book done. Our free ebook helps you avoid these traps.
Pitfall number 1, missing certain genealogical information.
Pitfall number 2, you're missing certain images.
Pitfall number 3, you can't or won't or don't have the time to write.
Pitfall number 4, can't remember those stories, people, places, or events.
Pitfall number 5, you're not a designer.
In our 25 tips free ebook, we'll explain how you can get your family book done while avoiding all those pitfalls.
If you're worried about how to pass on all that family history that you've gathered, or you want to give your great-grandkids who aren't even born yet the most amazing bedtime storybook ever, this is for you.
Download today, Getting Ready for Your Family Book Done For You, 25 Simple Tips free ebook.
They're going to be talking about you
Forever.
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 Forever.